keep your pets and kids inside, especially at night. There are so many coyotes roaming around these days.
They got a dog.
This isn't bright enough.
Let me have it.
Here. I'm getting the other one.
Escondido, California. Yep, the bike thief is gone.
Hey!
That's why you always keep your bike locked. Carlsbad, California. Do some real work and buy your own. Don't steal someone else's. Mobile, Alabama. These two ladies have been disturbing this homeowner for a while now. The homeowners even complained to the police, but they keep showing up again and again.